All right, guys, this is part two. Welcome back. So it's Thanksgiving Day, and I decided I'm gonna put up the trees now because it's still early. It's 7:20 right now, and I've already set up the first tree. Let me show you guys real quick. That's the first tree. That's the older tree that we had. I set it up down there. We're done with Thanksgiving dinner, and I'm gonna go ahead and set up the tree since they're playing Christmas music. So why not? Here's a star. Here's the first tree. As you can see, I put the star on top. This is our old star. Here's a bag of Christmas lights. Well, they're not a bag. Here's a bunch of Christmas lights. I gotta test these, make sure they work. All right, let's try these. And they work, but there are some that aren't on right now. But that's okay, because we got a big box in here, and it's full of Christmas stuff, as you can see. And I'm gonna bring this out. It's this one. All right, guys, I got some working Christmas lights. We're gonna put them on the tree over here. You can see, look at all those pretty colors. Here's the first strand. Doesn't look very good, but it will once we get some more lights. Third strand. Here's a tip, make sure you string it like this around the tree so you can get an even coverage of Christmas light. All right, so here it is. It's not complete yet. We still got a bunch of ornaments down here. And plus I gotta put this oversized star on top of this tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But yeah, it looks great so far. There it is. Oh. All right, guys, so we are officially almost done with the Christmas ornaments and all the decorations and stuff. So let me give you a little so here it is, guys. We got lights around the window. We got the 7-foot tree with the oversized star on it. We have lights around the door and the floor. Then we have them on the railings, and they go all the way up over there. Then we have this tree that doesn't have lights on it yet. We're gonna put lights on it, but it has a bunch of ornaments on it too. And we got some decorations right here, and then on the TV as well. And we got a whole bunch of Christmas cards from years past. And as you can see, it's a lot. So yeah, it's almost done. We just gotta get some lights for this tree. We gotta put the lights outdoors on the front porch, and that'll be it. So yep, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, so I'm in the garage right now, have it open. So all the decorations in the living room and the dining room are complete. And now all we gotta do is put some lights outside and get some more lights for that small tree. We'll be good. All right, guys, we got a bunch of lights in these bags, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put them up. It's pretty cold out, but it's not too cold, so let's go ahead and do it. All right, guys, so all we're gonna do is we're gonna put these headlights. I got got these net lights. I gotta plug them in first to make sure they work. And for that, I need to get an extension cord. Alright, I just tested these. These do work. Now I gotta untangle them and try and put them on this bush. Alright guys, I got the first set of net lights on. I'm gonna turn them on for you guys just to see, to show you that they work. And as you can see, they kind of work. They're on right now. Alright, let's plug them in. We got 2 of them working. Sweet. There's number 3 on that green bush. I know it's gonna look kind of weird, but I can't really get it to the other one of these bushes, the other purple bush, because, well, the cable's too short. And we got 3 of them working. Cool. Alright, so we only have 4 net lights. I'm gonna go ahead and plug them all in, see if they work. And there we go. All of them are on. I don't know if you can see it, but they're all on. Alright, so the net lights are all done. Now all we're gonna do is put some lights above the windows right here and maybe the front door. And then we'll put them around this little pillar. Alright guys, so we still have this fancy strand from last year. Let me just show you what it does. It flashes all different colors. I think that's pretty cool. Alright, it's all done. The spiral of Christmas lights on this pillar is done. Alright, let's turn it on. Now it's gonna look a lot better at night, but let me just show you. So they're on and they're kind of flashing like crazy, and the cool thing is I can change the lights. All right guys, so it's finally done. I took a few minutes to do off camera, and it looks awesome aside from all the extension cords everywhere. You can see I put some lights around this tree. This evergreen right here. It's looking awesome. It's gonna look better at night. But yeah, there they are. Kind of looks cool. Then we got the net lights at the front. You can see those are on. And then we come to the porch. We got some lights strung around the windows. This was really hard to do, because at the bottom here, I didn't know what I was gonna do, but I actually put one of the lights inside the screen to hold the whole string up. Actually, there's a second one right there. There you have this power socket with a bunch of extension cords. It's probably the coolest part of the house. The pillar right here. Okay, wait. This is probably the coolest part of the house. This right here, it's got red, green, and blue lights, and I can just press the button, it'll change scenes. But for now, I'm going to set it to 4 hours. And there it is. It'll come on at like 5 and go off at like 9 or 10. So that's it with the Christmas decorations. I hope you guys liked it. This was actually kind of hard, even though I went really fast. It was really hard. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, share, comment, subscribe to my main channel, hit that notification bell, do all that stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright guys, we're outside. It's a little darker, but everything is on. Everything's working perfectly. As you guys can clearly see, there's all the lights, and they're powered on. We got the lights on the tree that look great. And then we have the net lights out front. Those are pretty cool. Alright, awesome. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.